Hi, John here. In this video I would like to talk about why it's now the best time to start dropshipping, and why you should understand what's happening right now in the world and why it's a big opportunity for you. But first, if you like my videos and you would like to see more of my videos, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also if you have some ideas about future videos, then definitely comment below. First, I will just go through that whole situation in the last months. Well, basically, I'm talking about that whole virus problem, that started, a couple months ago, and basically when this happened, and media started kind of pushing it, a lot of people in this business got really scared, stop, post everything and try to do nothing. However, that was not smart, because truth is that if you went over everything and went through all these problems, Facebook started to be super cheap, and it was like a gold mine. I made a lot more money than previous months. My ROAS was all the time super high, and I didn't even need to test new ads because I don't know if there was not enough competition by those old ads for all the time. Usually I need to test tons of new ads, to keep that volume high and profitable. But in this weird situation, I was just sending all the time high, and with old ads, they were not dying, so that kind of means that before there were tons of people probably spending money on Facebook as well, but after that virus, or during the virus, they just stopped. And I understand, there were tons of problems, most dropshippers had very similar problems. Before they even realized there is some problem coming, they were smashed by low customer feedback score. I mean below zero. They were getting their pages disabled, ad accounts, and basically when everybody was starting to selling masks, and all these hygienic things, Facebook immediately increased their hardcoreness, on ad approvals and everything, and that system was running wild, and well, it's still running wild. Or they just found out, after a couple of weeks of that problem, that their supplier was sending things very slowly, or some of these orders are in transit for a month or two, and basically that immediately got them that low customer feedback score, or their chargebacks were just eating them, or they tried to survive by giving a lot of refunds, and those refunds were immediately also pushing them down. So I understand there are tons of problems, that you would probably not expect will come, but they kind of came, and I think most of people, me included, were hit by this. However, there were tons of people who actually decided to go through that pain and fight it, and I was one of them, okay? Because I also got bad customer feedback scores. I lost multiple business managers. They were spending thousands of dollars every day. I mean, I could write a book about it, so I did. Yeah, and so yeah, it was a lot of pain, and it's difficult to get out of this Facebook circle of hell. But well, actually you can do it, and just read that book and you will find out how to actually get out of it and restart a promotion. Well, anyway, I got through this, it was horrible, okay? But I understand that this thing, there was some opportunity, and I knew that, okay, if people will panic, they will pause, they will quit. A lot of them will just not go and restart things. They will not look for different suppliers, or try to move their all fulfillment to different country. After I got so many problems, I kind of had the option basically to die or to adapt, okay? So I moved everything, to those countries where I sell. So I fulfill nothing from China, okay? I fulfill everything from those countries. I made a lot of deals with my suppliers, most of it is my main supplier mostly. So I was able to send everything to those warehouses, and fulfill only from those countries, from Australia, from New Zealand, from Canada, from USA, from Ireland, UK, from all these English speaking countries. Well, since I did it, in that pandemic basically, I started to get all customer feedback score over 3.0. I was always having chargeback rate very low, and I thought it's I'm good in it, but when I moved to that fulfillment from those countries, my chargebacks almost didn't exist, okay? So I didn't even have any chargebacks almost, and I'm still not getting any, okay? So it's kind of interesting. So if you will do it, you will just also save a lot of money. And then I basically completely restarted most business managers. I farmed them again, from the scratch. And when I did it, I started to get like impossibly good results, like for all those stores, because like I said, like most people quit, they stopped. I mean, they were probably like scared too much, to do like a couple of new things when everything is like falling on them. And well, I kind of like discovered like there is like a huge opportunity, it was like gold mine. Like last months were like very like great with Facebook. I mean, it's still like they are still like very strict, and sometimes you will get like flagged or as disapproved if you are having like all those policies like solved, you have like that higher customer feedback score, then they will like leave you alone, to make money basically. Okay, I mean, yeah, sometimes you can get flagged by system, but usually it's like a mistake. Okay, so but overall, like I was just like making money, like tons of them, and it was like better than on Christmas, okay? And just because I didn't really like pause, and I saw like a lot of people who said like they already like paused promotions, they stopped everything, and because they think that it's not possible to sell. Like there was like so many people who were like telling to other guys that like here's like some fires, and you can't sell anymore, people will not buy, it's like it just doesn't make any sense, like I was like selling more than ever, and everybody who I know who was like a little bit like higher marketer, basically they were also like having great time, so I mean Facebook was strict, but if you were like selling, you were like selling great, and it's still working. Why I'm recording this video? Well, because right now China is getting back, okay? So I mean, like that e-packet and thing and all that crap is like done, okay? So it's still not working. So if you need to send from China, you are still like done, okay? Nothing like changed for you. But if you will like find supplier who already have the US warehouse, and well, basically you will be able to send through him, and he is like legit supplier with US warehouse, for example, then it's like a lot easier now to scale because China is working fine. Their production is like going fast, okay? So they can like produce a lot of products very fast, and those cargo planes are not so overbooked anymore, okay? Like they were like a month ago, it was difficult to get like place in cargo plane because people were like trying to fight with like money, so and if you wanted to keep your costs like down, it was like very difficult, okay? But now everything is getting to normal, okay? So it's possible to get like good places in cargo planes, and well, you can really like produce things, okay? So now if you will go and test a couple suppliers for your like winning product or whatever, there's like a huge chance that you will find like one great one that can actually provide you with products, send it to this US warehouse or Canada warehouse, and you will be able to scale with them, okay? All these like media are now trying to like push that second wave of that virus. So they're again like pushing like a lot of people, and trying to make them scared, okay? I understand that virus is like not a joke, okay? But truth is that this will happen again, okay? It will be same again, what just happened, okay? So now even more marketers will probably like go and like maybe quit, maybe pause, and they will like say like, okay, I will wait, for like another 2 months, but again, it's not time to stop. Now it's the time to really like get everything ready, to really like safeguard yourself, get like all your ad accounts ready, farmed, just like test a lot of products, find that product, get that supplier, and do not pause, just get through it, because now it's the time to make money, okay? That gold mine is coming back, okay, now, because it will be again like a lot easier. So you need to like prepare yourself for that second wave, so you will not need to stop your business, but you can keep going while other people will stop, because Facebook will be again extremely cheap. So if you are still able to basically like keep going with your business, okay, or you were like able to just like get your all accounts back, start again, restart everything, and then now definitely it's not time to stop, okay? It's time to like properly start and go again and like fight. This like situation is not really like against e-commerce, it's pro e-commerce, okay? It's like made for e-commerce, so it really like helps e-commerce, okay? So you need to like use that opportunity, okay? Otherwise, well, it will be same like a month ago or 2 months ago. You will be just one of those people who will be like constantly saying like, oh yeah, like I was like making money, then come this, and it's like dead, it destroyed me. But it doesn't need to destroy you, you just need to get through that like and keep selling your stuff, and you will see that Facebook is like super cheap, okay? So definitely like get ready for it. And thank you for watching. If you are still not in Adferation, my free Facebook mastermind group, and you would like to connect with me personally, then definitely join that group. And well, if you already got flagged, and need like a fast way how to restart your promotion, to like get out of that Facebook circle of hell, then definitely like download my free ebook. And well, yeah, I will see you in next video. Bye.